Hello everyone, this is Mayhan. Today video I would like to show you another word tip and trick how you can select a part of the paragraph or a portion of paragraph in vertically. As you see right here, I have some part that color red, dark green, and other color. So how we do that? Okay, if you have text like that, so put your cursor somewhere from here and press Alt keyboard and then start selecting. Okay, for example, you want like that, and then you can change color or whatever you want, or some just a portion of text like here. Okay, so the trick is put cursor somewhere and hold Alt and then click, and you can drag where you want. Okay, so just press Alt and start select. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you're looking for another word tip and trick, check link below or video right here. Okay, see you next time.